with another video tutorial on using Desmos with your students for distance learning. You can start by going back to find the lesson you were in. The easiest way is to look under your lesson history. You can see I've done a lot of different activities with my students over the past few years. Let's particularly look at Click Battle. Click Battle was a great lesson that dealt with unit rates. When you look at the lesson, under Summary, you can see all the students and all the work they've done. You can see the dot means the student has completed that particular slide. The check marks means they got the slide correct, and X means they did something wrong on the slide, or maybe it's incomplete. So let's look at this student, and we can see the work isn't quite complete here. You can also see Diego Rodriguez, who happens to be a famous mathematician, actually didn't complete the lesson as indicated by these gray boxes. Now you can look at each individual student view by clicking on the slide, and then you can see how each student did, and you can see each student's individual responses. This is great because it helps you understand the student's thinking. You can also look down in the bottom left-hand corner for teacher moves. These are ideas, tips, and tricks for you, the teacher, to help understand what the kids are working on and maybe where they should be going with the slide. You can also flip through the slides and see all the students' responses. And then you can, of course, go back to student view where you see one student at a time. For grading, I simply look at the student summary. I look to see if the student completed the lesson, and I give them credit for that. I give partial credit if they haven't finished all the slides in the lesson. And if I see some common mistakes, I can see a lot of students had trouble with slide 8 indicated by the X's. That might be something I want to discuss with the students at a later date to maybe clear up some misconceptions. So that's it for this tutorial. I'm Andrea Earle. You can find me at aearle.weebly.com. Hope this helps. I hope you enjoy getting started with Desmos.